أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan, the accursed. Those who become the servants of Allah, devil will not be able to emphasize them, except those who have followed the path of the devil. Start reading the Holy Quran by the trust of Allah, in the name of Allah, because asking for the help of Allah is most important. Every remarkable doing that you refuse is that it is the work of the unlucky, the deed with no roots. One of the most important things is to read the Quran. Seek refuge in Allah. Why seek refuge in Allah? Because every time the devil puts the doubt in the heart, as soon as man steps towards the path of Allah and reaches the point that opens the book of Allah, then the devil becomes afraid that if man reads the Quran and then understands, he will be out of my control. Indeed, those who become Allah's servants will not be emphasized by Shaitan. Here are a few examples of seek refuge with Allah. When entering the washroom, say, "O Allah, I seek refuge with you from the male and female devils." When one is angry, then say, "I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed Shaitan." When having marital relations, say, "In the name of Allah, O Allah, keep the Shaitan away from us and keep the Shaitan away from that which you may bless us with." When stopping in a place, say, "I seek refuge in the perfect words of Allah from the evil of that which He has created." When starting to read Quran, say, "I seek refuge with Allah, the all-hearing, all-knowing, from the accursed Shaitan." After starting to pray, say, "I seek refuge with Allah, the all-hearing, all-knowing, from the accursed Shaitan, from his madness, his arrogance and his blowing."